Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you getting well. Today I am giving you the interesting topic which is a partial fraction. It may be confusable and difficult for someone or some people or some students, but it is very easy after watching my video complete. So watch my video till end and get the answers of your queries. Okay? What is a partial fraction? I wrote there a question which is a 7x plus 25 divided x plus 3 into x plus 4. It's a general question to be explain you. Any kind of question you can use, but the method remains same. You already consider by the method to take LCM to consider to join any fraction on the same side. But it is the opposite to the LCM. It is the method to break the fraction into two parts. This is a one fraction. We have to break this fraction into two parts. First of all, most that this is a proper improper mixed fraction. Okay. Consider that down value is greater or upper value. Upper value is a numerator, down value is a numerator. First of all, multiply first two variables like that. We get x square. X square is the value which is greater than numerator 7x value. Upper side there is the polynomial degree 1 and lower side there is the polynomial degree 2. Then you get that this is a proper fraction. Write it P or proper fraction. For proper fraction, you don't have to be take steps to be considered into a mixed form and then solve it. No, you have to solve by this step, this question. Let's start. First of all, write solution. Take question as it is to the solution. X plus 3, x plus 4. These two terms are multiplying to each other. Take it equal to, make a partial fraction. If there are two values, two terms are multiplying to each other, then there are two partials. If there are three, then three. It may depend on the denominators, terms, expressions. Count it 1, 2. Okay, then call it. You can use any constant variable. I'm always using constant because it's a variable here. Then we will confused to find out the constants and variables, and x is same. There is a little difference in between. That's why some students get the lower marks in confusing these types of questions. When they are confused, they lose their marks. That's why choose a over x plus 3 first part, and the sign between the two partials is positive. It depends. When there is a minus between the numerator, there is no dependence of the sign. Okay, it is independent. Don't confuse over it. X plus 4. This is our first step, and we have to give it a equation name as one big one. Okay. Now second step. This is called as step 1. This was our step 1. You should follow steps in paper point of view because it gets more marks from your examiner. You have to follow the proper steps to solve any question in a math, because it's not a um, rememberable, understandable. It's only understandable formulas. It's different for from other subjects which release only data qualification. It is different from it. It's had only the knowledge of the method. What have you used? The second step that I will follow is multiply the denominator of the left hand side to both sides. Okay, which is the denominator of the left hand side? We have to multiply it. This is the denominator. We have to multiply it on left hand side and on right hand side. Okay, after multiplying it, you have to write it. Multiply, you have to write the side. This side is always the left hand side and this side is always right hand side. Multiply left hand side to right hand side and left hand side. What's from left hand side? Denominator. Okay, this is not step 2. You can solve this step in front of your paper or in rough work, or I'm used to solve in the front of examiner paper, that is x 7x plus 25 x plus 3 into x plus 4 into a x plus 3. Make some space, that denominator has to be multiplied. Okay, now I am multiplying with a different color to explain you. Please don't confuse yourself and other selves like examiner, because the examiner is other self in paper point of view. Multiply. And what are you doing in the paper? You have to write it. You can show multiplication by dot or multiply. It's up to you. After multiplying, this term and this term was same. It is cutting down. This term is same, and this term and this. Same terms are cancelled out when they are in opposite ways of division and multiplication. Now, step 3 starts. Step 3 starts when we have to followed by the equation 7x plus 25 is equals to a into x plus 3 plus b x plus 3. There is x plus 4. X plus 3 was cutting down. Okay, and x plus 4. Most of the students make mistakes that they multiply a to only x, not to 4, not to, and b to x, not to 4. This bracket shows that a is multiplying to both of the values or all of the values in the brackets, present in the brackets. Okay. Now after that, the other step is coming to be followed. The step 3 starts now. Write it, step 3. Step 3 says that I have to write the step on that paper. X plus 4. This is the statement we have to be followed. Okay. Now what have to do? X plus 4 and there is x plus 3. Okay, I can make it. If you make mistake, then write it on other color or other pen, and avoid to use white or removers on the paper. Now there is a step 3 which says that take standard as a's value, a's multiplied value, or standard as b multiplied value. Okay, if there are 3 to 4 terms, then you have to take standard each value. I'm taking first of all a's value x plus 4 is equals to 0. Means make term as equation, and we are making equation by equalize it to 0 because we have no any value to be equalized. Okay, you know that x plus 4 is equals to 0. Then when we have to make x alone, 4 moves left hand side to right hand side, and when the 4 release it from its home, it will be negative of sign. And similarly, when there is a x plus 3 and is equals to 0, it will be x of minus 3. But now we will start the step 4, which is a substitution or putting step. Okay, putting, you can easily say it putting or substitution. Now we have to put, now name the equation. This is the equation 2. We already called the equation 1. That's why we never call this equation as a 1. Okay, don't make the same name to 2 to 3 equations. Now by putting, this is the equation 3. This is the equation 4. 3 as it is. Okay, name the equations differ from each other. Now put equation 3 to 2, we get put equation 3 to 2, we get, when equation 3 is putting on the equation 2, every x will be minus 4. Every is equals to, you have to plus b minus 4 plus 3. You know that if there is the same values are adding, subtracting, there will be a 0, and any 0 multiplying to a forms 0. Properties of 0 I had already tell you in my previous video. If you getting confused in my this step, then go to my channel Simplicity in Education. You will get. And plus minus minus, we get minus and sign for the greater value. These types of values are also uploaded in my channel. And there 7 into 4 we get 28. Sign for minus because plus minus minus, and for multiplication there is a sign which is solving. Plus 25. Minus of 3 because plus minus minus and sign for greater we get minus 3 is equals to minus b. Minus on the both sides are cutting down, we get 3 is equals to b. Call this equation as equation 5. This is our equation 5 and bold it. Okay, which is the part of the solution, then bold it. Now go to the next step. Next step is to find the value of a. A's value is we can get by putting equation, put it to equation 4 to 2, we get this writing must be shown on the paper. Okay, then into minus 3 plus 2 5 is equals to ax minus 3. Where we find x, we have to use then minus 3, because x is equals to minus 3, plus b minus 3 plus 3. 7 into 3, we get minus 21 plus 25 is equals to a into 1, because 4 minus 3 is equals to 1, plus b 0 or 0. It's 4 0. 4 25 minus 21, we get 4, a is equal to 4. Also bolded, and name it also, and name should be different from other equations. It's not be confused over the equation names always. Okay, now this is the equation 6. Now we have to put equation, this is our other step, this is our step number 4. 4 steps to be followed for partial fractions. Step 4 is a put equation 5 6 in 1. Remember what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is that equation that is a put by us, and this equation is that equation. This equation is that equation. Here you can put a and b as a and b's values. What is a b? B is a 3. Okay, from there you get. And what is a a? A is a 4. Then put 4. That is our answer of solution. Okay, hope you get it. The partial fraction. If you get, then subscribe my channel. I am waiting for your subscription. Thanks for watching.